Everyone, welcome back to Kaydanivato. Diving today into the chapter 9 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, covering the security for keeping peace and assuring the good behavior. Let's break it down in simple terms. Chapter 9 spans clause 125 to 143, focusing on preventative legal measures. Think of it as the law's way of saying stay peaceful or face consequence. This includes requiring bonds or guarantee from the individual to ensure they maintain good behavior. Here are the key provisions. Peace on conviction versus other situations. Clause 125, courts can order someone to provide security for maintain peace upon conviction of certain offences. Clause 126, similar powers apply in other situations even without a conviction if there is a legitimate concern for public peace. Good behavior bonds specific categories. Next are specialized the provisions where good behavior bonds can be required. Clause 127, for persons spreading harmful or seditious content. Clause 128, for individuals suspected of wrongdoing. Clause 129, for habitual offenders who repeatedly cause trouble. This ensure tailored intervention based on context. Procedure and bail bond. When such security is required, the law outlines how it must be implemented. Clause 130 specifies that court must issue a formal order. Clause 131 and 132, procedure of serving the order if the person is present in the court or absent. Clause 133, a copy of the order must be accompanied any summons or warrant. Clause 134, courts can waive the personal appearance if appropriate. Clause 135, courts must be verify the truth of allegations before the requiring security. Clause 136, if required, an order to provide security like bond is given. Clause 137, if allegations are unfounded, the person should be discharged. Bond terms, default and release. Clause 138 defines when the security period begins. Clause 139, 140 specifies what goes into the bond and allows courts to reject unsuitable sureties. Clause 141, if someone fails to provide security, they may be imprisoned. Clause 142, courts can release those who defaulted once they comply. Clause 143, security obligations may be continued even after part of the bond period remains. So this was the chapter 9 of BNSS. This chapter empowers the court to react proactively, regulating the behavior before offense escalate. It's maintain public order with procedural fairness and ensure the peace without punitive overreach. So friends, if you found this breakdown useful, then share with others. Do like and also subscribe this channel Kaydanivato. We'll meet soon in next chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kaydanivato.